I had this message pop up showing that it couldn't charge due to ambient temperature. My watch was showing that the temperature outside was 54 degrees, so that seemed a little strange. I continued to check this message again, and once again it says that the temperature outside, the ambient temperature, was too cold or possibly too warm for it to charge. So the next thing I decided to do was do a power cycle after checking again to make sure that the message wouldn't clear if I just exited. So I did shut that message out, and then I power cycled the phone and waited to see what would happen after I power cycled the phone. So initially, even noticing that battery symbol showed that the phone began to charge. And once it restarts here, we'll see that even further. So power cycling the phone did cause the charging to commence again. So if you ever have an experience where it shows this message that it's not charging due to ambient temperature, just restart the phone and that should begin to work.